checkbox is another data type available within the fields which you can select. So it has two values, either it's true or a false. True means checked, false means unchecked. So let's create a checkbox field, and we'll select checkbox and click next. Let's say we call it active. You can set up a default value. So whenever the record is created, what default value you want to give, whether it's checked or unchecked. So for default, we'll want to give it as unchecked, and then we can give it a description. I'll escape it from now, and we'll click next, and again next, and save. So this would create a checkbox field on our record. Let's see how it looks like. So refresh, and there you see the active checkbox is there. You can edit it, you can save it. Please share your questions, thoughts, and feedback in the comments section, and I'll get back to you.